Okay, welcome to the second video in this series explaining how to use the econometrics notes. In the first video, we installed the notes and the package into this directory. You may have used a different directory, but I have it here. And remember to start up Julia using the package. We start Julia with the project switch. Now when we want to use econometrics, when we want to use the code that accompanies the notes, we type using econometrics. And notice that I'll hit the enter here at 10:22. And it's going to take a little while for the Julia prompt to come back. That's because Julia uses just-in-time compiling, and all of the functions in this econometrics project are being compiled. Okay, that took 20 seconds basically. Now, for scientific computing, this compilation time is not really important because when we run a number crunching program that does a lot of computations, this little compilation time at the beginning becomes irrelevant. But in an interactive use, like when you're studying or when using these notes for teaching in a classroom, we'd like the things to go more quickly to make the interactive use more comfortable. And that's what I'm going to talk about now in this video. On the web page of the notes here in the address bar, if you look down here, you'll see there's instructions for how to do things. Point number 10 is about how to speed things up, and that's what I'm going to do today. You see that what we need to do is type include make sysimage, and that's what I'll do right now. Okay, so let's before doing that though, let's look at one example of how we can speed something up. Okay, I'm going to do a scatter plot. Okay, now I just hit the enter at 53 seconds after, and the scatter plot's taking a little time to appear because the code in the scatter plot is being pre-compiled. Just another example of the pre-compilation issue. So that took a little time, but now notice that if I do another scatter plot, or I'll just add some points to that existing plot, it was immediate. Okay, so that just shows you that once the code is compiled, it's fast. Now what we want to do is compile all of the code in the econometrics project to make all of it fast for interactive use. And to do that, we type include make sysimage. Okay, and when I hit the return, I'm going to start this at 50 seconds after the minute. This is going to take about 10 minutes again, like what we saw in the first video when we did the first installation, because all of the packages that the econometrics notes rely upon are going to be compiled into a system image. And once that's done, we'll be able to reuse that system image every time we start up this project, and we'll have basically a nice, fast, interactive usage of the code. Okay, now while this is going on, I'm going to pause the video, and I'll come back once this is finished compiling in about 10 minutes or so. Don't worry, the video won't go for 10 minutes. Okay, we're back. That took about 10 minutes or so. Now I'm going to get out of Julia and start this up again using the system image. Okay, I put the J switch to use the system image, and then I give it the name of the system image and start up. Okay, now we'll do using econometrics. Notice how that just came back, the prompt came back right away. That's because it doesn't have to compile anything. So now let's repeat that scatter plot that we did. And you get the scatter plot right away. Okay. We can do some more. Remember that MCMC example that we saw in the first video? Sorry, that I had the image hidden underneath the console. So everything is interactive, is basically instantaneous now, and this makes things much more comfortable to use interactively for studying the notes or for teaching in the classroom. Okay, the basic thing you need to do is start Julia using this switch here, J, and give it the name of the system image. Okay, that's all for this video. I'll do a next one where we'll see how to make this a little bit more friendly by using a comfortable code editor. Okay, so see you next time.